World Environment Day is just around the corner on June 5th, and it's a day when people celebrate nature and also talk about the ill effects of people's harmful activities and behaviors over Mother Nature herself. So in this really special video, I'm proud to talk about the environment, what it stands for, and what are the reasons why humans are polluting it, humans are ruining it, destroying it, and as every cloud has a silver lining, we're also going to talk about some instances where people have joined together to help save the environment from pollution and destruction. We're also going to talk about the effects of climate change and how it affects our daily needs and necessities and the very foundation of society. So join me on this video where let's talk about the environment and what needs to be done to fix it, and at the end a very special something about soil. Human activity since the Industrial Revolution, mainly extracting and burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas, has increased the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, resulting in a radiative imbalance. Concentrations of methane are far higher than they were ever over the last 800,000 years. And CO2 emissions primarily come from burning fossil fuels to provide energy for transport, manufacturing, heating, and electricity. All of these are basic necessities and we can't let them go. Air pollution in the form of aerosols not only puts a large burden on human health but also affects the climate on a large scale. From 1961 to 1990, a gradual reduction in the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth's surface was observed, a phenomenon popularly known as global dimming, typically attributed to aerosols from biofuel and fossil fuel burning, which is surprising because with the amount of sunlight we're getting right now, we're already complaining that oh my god, it's too hot outside. Humans changed the Earth's surface mainly to create more agricultural land. Today, agriculture takes up about 34% of Earth's land area, while 26% is forests and 30% is uninhabitable, such as glaciers and deserts. The amount of forested land continues to decrease, which is the main land use that causes global warming on a large scale across the world. Next up, we've got a company called PaveGen, which makes special tiles. Now the speciality of these tiles is that when you step on these tiles, the tiles convert the kinetic energy of you stepping on them into electrical energy, which is then used to power street lights and billboards near the area. So just imagine you're going on a leisurely morning/evening walk and you're walking on one of these tiles, and you can get your entire walk done, and you can power the entire park by just walking on them, you and your fellow walking buddies. It's an amazing tech, and it should be implemented worldwide. Last but not the least, let's talk about the most important thing that our ecosystem needs to survive: soil. Soil is the basis of everything on the planet, and soil is in threat. It's being threatened. The advent and overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides have destroyed the fertility of soil in multiple places. Natural fertilizers are good, but they're a bit more on the expensive side and harder to produce. And most people want quick, faster, bigger, stronger results. So they use chemical fertilizers and pesticides, which are not good for the environment at all. The government needs to do something about this. So that's why I'm talking about the Save Soil Mission by Sadhguru. Now, to those who don't know who Sadhguru is, increase your GK. Now, the Save Soil initiative aims to fix the issues of soil. It's a very simple thing to do. You just have to write a letter to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and get him to fix this. We're sending letters worldwide, all over India, and we're sending letters worldwide, all over India, and we want you to do the same. Draft a letter and send it to the Prime Minister and support the Save Soil initiative by Sadhguru to fix our planet and to destroy climate change once and for all. So that finishes this. My name is Namit, and I hope you had a lot of fun and you were educated watching this video just the way I was, and I hope you'll be willing to move forward to protect the environment and save soil. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.